Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to fix tagged app login error. If you're having issue with the login in your tagged app account, then you could follow the steps. Now many people might have faced this issue, and some of the common issues might be your credential. So when you try to log in, press the login button, and here you might be prompted to enter in your credential. Many of you might enter the wrong credentials, so make sure to check it twice. And if nothing seems to be working out, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. If this is also not working out, then you could also read out some emails maybe that mentioned about your account restrictions and all that, so you could check that as well. And likewise, you could also try updating it, and updating might help you as well. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could try restarting your device, and this should be able to fix the issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.